Jimboy Estrada sa debut niya sa NCAA. We're going to have to wait a little bit, Coach Ralph.
Ang inaabangan ko actually yung rotation at pagpasok ni Coach Alan Ricardo. If familiar ka sa kanya nung juniors, 5-5 ang pasok neto. 5-5-5 ang rotation niya. Tingnan natin kung madadala niya ngayon dito sa senior.
Samantala, Escobedo.
It's a wild shot, no? Sa first attack nila.
And we can see right away yung bilis ng opensa ng Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Montecillo with a triple.
Ganda ng primary offense na. They're pushing the ball. Looking kagad doon sa mga open shots.
And ready to shoot si Montecillo after Monje was able to find him wide open. Paengare.
Same. They're pushing the ball. Ang bilis ng tempo ng game. Ang sarap panoorin, no?
Parang hindi nagbago yung estilo ng San Sebastian. Last year, John Calios was employing a 7 seconds or less system.
Yes, sobrang bilis.
Santos, pinasa sa loob. Dimaano.
Again, good execution. Walang 4 shots for 2 possessions. Ang ganda ng execution talaga.
And I am liking the energy from both teams. And the energy started by the man himself, Alan Ricardo, with that pre-game chant.
Nakakatakot, no?
Parang yung haka na ginagawa ng Tall Blacks,
Yes.
hyping themselves up before the game.
Pine-pressure agad, nagbibigay kagad sila ng pressure dito sa Baste. From the backward pa lang, nakikita natin paano depensahan yung mga guards nila.
Are. Ricio. Christian Ricio. One of the new additions dito sa Kumran ni Coach Arvin Bonleon.
Ganda ng defense nila, no? May mga nagro-rotate, challenge shots. Yan ang gusto mo kung ikaw yung defensive side, no?
Montecillo. Nat Montecillo. Tubong Cebu. Now the starting point guard for the Letran Knights.
Sayang yung entry pass na yon, hindi nasalo nun sa baseline. Pero ang ganda ng look, no? Every time na meron silang atake, tinitingnan kagad nila yung tao sa loob ng paint. Where's the pressure? Yeah, pina-pressure na naman.
Pelebrico. Drop pass. Velasco. Fast-paced action ang ating napapanood dito, Coach.
Yes, if kilala natin si Paeng Are, ito yung gusto niyang game. No? Pe-pressurein niyo ako, bibigyan ko kayo ng, aatakihin ko kayo, magko-commit kayo sa akin, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga dish out na pasa. No?
At dalawa pa silang gumagawa ng ganyang play, Escobedo and Are, starting at the backcourt.
Correct. No? So, if makita mo yung lineup kasi ng Letran, ang lalaki talaga. So, to counter those liabilities, no, na lack ng height, kailangan talaga bumilis ang game para pumabor sa'yo.
Sophomore forward center Leo Velasco. Naipasok ang unang tira mula sa free throw line. Second free throw is up and in. Balik ang bola dito sa mga Letranista.
Both teams are playing man-to-man, no? Pero mas madiin lang yung pressure ng Letran.
Di nasalo na maayos ni Santos. Counter steal. Another counter steal. Inside pass, Monje. Monje nalunod sa dalawang bantay.
Sayang, sana tinira niya na yun, ano? Para ma-achieve niya yung 2 free throws.
Coach, may napapansin tayo sa bench ng Letran. It looks like
Correct.
Coach Allen is gonna continue to employ the platoon substitution.
Oo, china-challenge niya talaga yung 5-5-5. Ako na, para i-translate mo yun, no, from junior to seniors, medyo mahirap. Kasi ang ganda lang na pinakikita niya talaga yung trust niya sa mga players niya. First group, second group, ewan natin kung aabot sa third group ng 5-5-5.
Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, hindi nyo po nakikita sa inyong mga TV screens, but there were 5 players in white jerseys na biglang tumayo mula sa bench, pumunta dun sa tunnel, at ngayon nag-uusap at nagwa-warm up.
Yes, oh. Feeling ko nga, because of the pressure, yung energy, gusto nila mataas eh. So every time to keep that energy high, kailangan talaga fresh legs.
Sabi nga nila, Coach, if it ain't broke, why fix it? Jumawas gets the basket. And now, we will get to hear those stories and this report from Flo Del Agua. Flo?
Anton and Coach Ralph, nabanggit yung nga kanina that we are welcoming two new leaders for both squads. Unahin na natin ang very reputable Letran head coach Alan Ricardo, who time and time again has proven the effectiveness of his system, and they need this now more than ever with key player Titing Manalili sitting out this season and team captain Pau Havilionar temporarily not being able to play. Kaya itong champion mindset ni Coach Allen needs to translate to his remaining players. Sa panag naman ng San Sebastian, kahit bago pa lang siya ay ibang klase na ang familiarity ni head coach Arvin Bonleon sa kultura ng Golden Stags. Dahil noong player pa siya ng Baste, he was also developed by longtime San Sebastian head coach Egay Macaraya. So this is homegrown excellence right here. These two coaches may have different backgrounds pero parehas lang yan ng goal today, which is to get that first win. Gentlemen, your thoughts?
Well, thank you very much for laying out the background of both these new coaches dahil yun nga, it is a new chapter for both of them, Letran and San Sebastian.
Nakikita naman natin, sa buhok pa lang, alam na natin kung ano yung differences na dala ng different coaches, ano?
Jumawas, catch and shoot!
Nice drive and kick from the Letran Knights.
Escobedo, wow, what a finish!
Ang bilis ng laro, no? Talagang sarap panoorin. Yan ang college basketball.
Almost a steal. Actually, he
Completed.
completes the steal. Paeng Are, bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are.
And
Wow!
one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, ang tagal sa ere. Hinintay muna bumaba. And may kasama pang foul.
At pumasok na ang second five ni Coach Alan Ricardo. A platoon substitution.
Ito na yung sinasabi ko, Estrada. So, bangan natin, Anton.
Number 26.
Actually, ang hirap tingnan dahil
Yes.
pare-pareho. Hindi mo makilala dahil sa hairstyle nila.
So on the floor, Edziel Galoy, Jimboy Estrada, Joseph Nunag, a sophomore, Rafael Go, James Andrius Pradella. Well, actually, I'll correct myself. That's Go wearing jersey number 8. And wearing jersey number 29, Deo Cuajao.
Wow.
Yeah, forgive us, as Coach Ralph was explaining, it's gonna be hard to distinguish these
So,
players.
nakamukha na sila eh.
Lahat sila naka-uno.
Again, nag-zone na itong San Sebastian. They're playing 1-2-2 or 2-3.
And if they're playing zone, Coach, gusto yan ni Deo Cuajao.
Correct.
Deo Cuajao, Letran's top addition last season. Cuajao averaged 12.6 points per game. At siya yung naging go-to guy ng Letran nung na-injure si Kurt Rayson. Ready to shoot, Deo Cuajao.
We're averaging 12.6 points per game. Talagang as first year mo, malaking bagay talaga na dati. Malamang madagdagan pa yan this season. Yan, naka-zone na naman itong 1-2-2 zone ng San Sebastian. Titingnan natin paano execution ang gagawin ng Letran dito. Kakaroon ng interchange yung shooters nila.
Thirteen to 11 ang ating talaan. Letran nauna dito sa isang napakainit na bakbakan. At first quarter pa lang po tayo.
As they continue playing zone ng San Sebastian, tingnan natin paano ang execution nila yung gagawin. And they're trying to hit the middle. Actually, sa 1-2-2, yan ang weakness. Yung paint na yan. Isa pa sa weakness ng zone, Anton, is yung offensive rebound. Marami kang possibilities na mabigay ng offensive rebound sa kalaban.
All right, so this is Rafa Go. Apparently, he's still on the team. Just a little confusion with the lineups that were given to us. (14-11).
Yung San Sebastian, nagtatakbo sila ng Euro motion, ano? Sa 3-man, 2-man play na ginagawa nila para dun sa man defense na ginagawa ng Letran.
Coach Arvin Bonleon calls a timeout. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Damang-dama na ang excitement at school spirit sa Arellano University at Emilio Aguinaldo College na nagsagawa ng pep rally para sa pagbubukas ng NCAA Season 100. Nakatutok si JP Soriano.
Muling ipinamalas ng AU Chief Squad sa pep rally ng Arellano University sa Maynila ang kanilang winning piece sa Season 99 cheerleading competition. Buena manong pasabog lang daw.
So, ito ang sitwasyon ng bagong team captain ng Letran ngayon. Very familiar guy in the NCAA. He's won 3 NCAA championships, but he has to wait 2 games. He will serve a 2-game suspension. Initially, a 3-game suspension, but now it's just a 2-game suspension, coach, after the NCAA reviewed Letran's appeal.
Yes, malaking bagay sana kung nakapaglaro si Pau Abilionar, no? With 7 points and 4 rebounds per game. And plus his leadership, alam naman natin na even yung physical niya, yung physicality sa game, malaki natutulong ni Pau Abilionar.
So just to summarize yung article ng GMAnetwork.com, na-draft na po kasi si Pau Abilionar, and then he played.
He played ba?
He
Or na-line
played
up siya?
Na-line up and played a few minutes in one of their preseason games.
Sakit, ano? sayang. Pero at least maganda na masubukan kagad yung mga ibang reserves ng Letra Knights.
Risho able to drain that free throw. 1-point lead para sa Letran.
Now, the San Sebastian, in-employ naman nila yung 1-3-1 defense, no? Naka 1-3-1 na zone.
Go with a much better looking jumper, Coach Ralph.
Yes, alam natin siguro yung pre-season, off-season nila, alam mo naghanda itong mga to. Ang laki namang improvement eh.
A steal by Jimboy Estrada. Tumatakbo ang Knights. Caloy with a finish.
And ganda ng transition offense ng Letran. Nakikita naman natin, very unselfish.
And Coach Arvin Bonleon calls another timeout after that Letran run.
Santos once again. De Los Santos navigating. Giab flips it up and in, plus the foul. 7 points now for Giab and a chance to add on to his total. Ito si De Los Santos in control even in full speed, JV.
Exactly, Martin. In control ito si JL De Los Santos. Every time, every possession, kita naman natin dito. Not in a hurry, pero napakabilis and good reads.
Fourth-year forward DJ Felipe Rico, ang bagong kapitan ng San Sebastian, succeeding the the player who has graduated, Alex Desoyo.
Kailangan ang captain ball pinipili yan. Not only in the statistical yung mga points, rebounds, it's the leadership. Paano mo i-lead yung team mo? Coming from the bench, yung mga nasa bench, paano mo i-lead yan? Paano mo bubuhayin? Paano mo i-motivate? Yan ang main job ng captain ball.
Nasa ika-4 na taon na sa NCAA itong si TJ Felebrico, currently on the bench right now.
Nakita natin, naka-apply na naman yung full court defense ng Letran. So fresh na fresh pa rin sila eh. Kailangan, hindi pa natatapos yung first quarter pero ilang players na yung naglalaro.
At ramdam natin agad, Coach, at nakikita na lahat ng mga players ni Coach Allen have bought in to his system and the way he wants the team to play.
Correct. Ang hirap kasi actually if ang player hindi talaga sanay pumressure tapos biro mo 5-5 ang palitan, merong hindi makaka-adapt diyan eh, no? So for them to buy in sa system, talagang yung sacrifice, alam mo, nandun sa mga players din.
Gabat. Escobedo from way out. Rebound by Velasco. Escobedo. Lulusot na naman sa depensa. Escobedo too strong up the glass.
Ganda, no?
Put back
Actually,
by Velasco.
Laking bagay na inaatake talaga ni Escobedo yung mga driving lanes na yan. Nakakapag-create siya talaga ng may point of attack na nangyayari from San Sebastian.
Inside pass. Intercepted. Golden Stacks are running. Escobedo. Wow!
Ganda, no? That's 4 points already, no? For Escobedo.
Go. Binigay kay Jimboy. Hindi pa tumitira si Jimboy Estrada. Ito na siya. Umatake. Turnover. Escobedo. Lots of time.
7 points from Escobedo. Maganda. Medyo hindi komportable ngayon ng Letran sa ginagawang defense ng San Sebastian. Naka 1-3-1 sila ulit. Naka 1-3-1 formation. So,
Rafael Go. Much improved Rafael Go. Para dito sa mga Letranista sa pagpasok ng season 100. At ngayon, dinay na ni Cuajao.
actually, ito yung first deadlock, no? 20 all. Ito na naman. Pero mukhang may bumalik dun sa sa first group niya. Kevin Santos. First group actually ito.
3 minutes and 33 seconds. Yan ang oras na natitira dito sa ating first quarter. Escobedo. Within. It's Letran basketball. Bola na kay Monje. Dimaano.
Ganda ng transition offense ng Letran.
Jumawas.
Sayang.
Santos with the offensive rebound and Dimaano is able to score.
Yes, ang kagandahan sa Letran when they run the break, nakikita mo all lanes, meron naka-fill eh. No? So, kahit nasabihin mo nga na-miss ni Umawas yun, merong big man sa loob na ready to go for the offensive rebound.
Unselfishness mula kay Kevin Santos. Touch pass para kay Dimaano. And Dimaano is able to score.
Hinihintay ko rin yung mga highlights ni Kevin Santos.
Nung dulo ng season, kahit out of the running na yung Letran, Kevin Santos had a lot of highlight dunks.
Yes. Talagang kakagatin niya yung ring eh. Pag tumangko.
Oh, double crossover. Santos with the rebound.
Sayang, pero ganda na ginawa ni Maliwat doon. No? Natake niya, dish off. Doon mabubuhay talaga ang offense ni San Sebastian.
Montecillo. Jumawas. 7 on the shot clock. Jumawas.
Nice anticipation. Escobedo.
And that's gonna be 2 free throws para kay Gabat. Rex Gabat.
Oh, sorry, it's Gabat pala.
At ngayon naman si Coach Alan Ricardo ang tumawag ng timeout sa aming pagbabalik. Rex Gabat will shoot 2.
Yeah. Eto, tinan mo, ginawa niya ito kay Sean Umali dati. You know, pangga muna. I'll create a
Yan ang
separation.
pinakamahirap na depensahan. Yung nakatalikod ka tapos full sprint.
About this move, Earn J, crossover, losing C in the process, and then nailing the pull-up J. How about this? Pinagat behind the back dribble.
Yan yung perfect na sasabihin. Now you see me. Now you don't.
That's right. You know, an ankle breaker right there from
Dapat panigurado na yun eh.
JL Capulong. Again, leading scorer of Arellano. Second leading scorer at least behind Jay Talampas as Nitura is able to score on the reverse. Only played Bawi. Wala dito sa Perpetual. Cyrus Nitura going to the timeline. Jacob goes close. Ooh! Slick and smooth!
Papatuloy ang ating live coverage ng NCAA Season 100 Siglo 1 Inspiring Legacies. Gabat knocks in the first free throw. And he's got a chance to tie this game up for the second time.
That's his first point, no? That's not for Gabat.
Rex Gabat last season averaged 7.4 points per outing para sa San Sebastian in his rookie season. Off the glass.
Ganda, no? Montecillo can create his own shot. Ito nga yung pinagkwento ni Flo sa atin kanina. Sa pagkawala ni Tiding Manalili, medyo opportunity para sa kanya to para makapagpakita.
Another rebound para kay Kevin Santos.
Early pick for Montecillo.
Santos, dinouble team. Monje, aatake. Kobe Monje will head to the line for 2.
Mas ang ganda lang nakikita natin sa Letran, talagang they're sharing the ball. No? Yung 4 shots medyo naiiwasan talaga. They're trying to execute, trying to look for the higher percentage shot.
Kobe Monje now playing in his 3rd year. I'll correct myself, the Gabat brothers are also playing in their 3rd year. So last year, it was their sophomore year in the NCAA. Naalala ko, Coach, unang pasok nitong si Kobe Monje. Fran Yu was telling me na he will try to fill in the role of Renz Abando.
Wow. Kamusta ba?
Well, still a long way to go, Coach Ralph. But the potential is there kasi andyan yung athleticism.
Yung pangalan pa, di ba?
And Monje with a deflection. Ito na si Monje. Monje with a finish.
Ganda na ang defense ni Monje. Nandun siya sa help side. So na-try niya, natapik niya. Then nagkaroon ng easy layup for them.
Biggest lead of the game now for the Knights. Coach, as we see this move by Kobe Monje, I just noticed and realized itong uniform ng Letran, may pagka-throwback, ano?
Oh, pwede,
Yung
no?
mga makikintab na tela.
Oh, satin ba tawag? Ang ganda.
So it goes back to yung legacy ng Letran and they're trying to bring back the glory days. Montecillo blocked though. Oh! Are, showtime on the break. What a pass by Are to Baroga.
2 points for Baroga. His first 2 points.
Monhe. Too strong.
Yun sana yung mga dapat nating iwasan for letra, no? Yun yung instruction siguro. Mga 4 shots, nawawala na naman yung execution nila. So sayang, para masustain nila yung lead. O, yan ang dapat gawin nila. Yung pasa ni Are na yan.
Just imagine, Coach, pag magkasabay sa fast break si Paing Are at si Raymart Escobedo, parang Kentoy Salado at Gio Halalon sa Arellano nung araw.
The bus driver and the conductor.
Correct. Are. Gabat. Kinaliwa. Another rebound for Santos.
Yung mga Gabat, Are, Escobedo, talagang bubutasin nila yung defense mo eh. So, kung hindi mo talaga scouted kung ano yung weakness or strength niya, magkakaroon ka ng problema.
Monhe. 7 on the shot clock. Monhe. Dinabas ang bola. Dimaano. Fouled.
Sayang yung mga tinuturo ng coaches na mga bad habits na susundot, tatapik, no? Minsan kahit nasabihin mong bola yan, pagka merong anggulo ng referee na medyo pumalo ka, talagang malaki ang chance na tawagan ka ng foul.
Good game for Dimaano in his debut for the Knights. Right place at the right time lang siya, no, Coach? Simpleng basketball lang.
Dampot lang siya. Hindi siya nakikigulo rin sa offense. Hinihintay niya lang pumunta yung offense sa kanya.
And he goes perfect from the line. And new players on the floor.
Yes, pahintay-hintay lang. Oh. Naka, si Dimaano, naka 6 points na siya.
So number 19, James Pradella is in. Willie Miller, new Letran Squires coach, is on the bench, at the back of the bench of the Letran Knights. So we have an NCAA legend in the house. Ricio for 3, short. And that will do it for the first quarter of play. A high-scoring first period.
Taas ng score.
30 points for the Letran Knights, 24 naman para sa San Sebastian. Magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 100.